Today, the health department correcting information officials gave out last week here in Knox County in response to a question during Friday's media briefing. Health Department Director Dr. Martha Buchanan said essential employees who have tested positive for COVID-19 can report to work if they're needed, as long as they're not showing symptoms and wear a mask, citing CDC guidance on essential employees. Today, though, Dr. Buchanan walking that back a bit.
An individual who is positive for COVID-19 should not report to work, regardless of whether or not they are showing symptoms and regardless of whether or not they work in critical infrastructure.
Dr. Buchanan going on to say that people who are essential employees, such as those who work in food service, who are a close contact to a positive case but don't have symptoms, can report to work, although they must wear a mask and follow other rules. If they become symptomatic and become a probable case, they are, of course, then required to stay home. Again, people who have tested positive should not go into work regardless of whether they're an essential employee. The health department also changing its testing schedule a bit this week. COVID-19 testing will be available tomorrow through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the health department's main location on Dameron Avenue. The health department says due to the high volume of people wanting to be tested, wait times could be pretty long, up to an hour, so you might want to be prepared to wait.